Ever wondered what essentials you need for a long flight? Well, it's more than just a pillow and a good book. Long flights can be a test of endurance, but with the right preparation, they can also be enjoyable. Today, we'll dive into the different categories of essentials that can turn your journey into a breeze. We'll cover everything from comfort items to entertainment options and even health and hygiene products. Are you ready to discover the secrets of a comfortable and enjoyable long flight? Buckle up. First up, let's talk comfort, because who doesn't want to feel at home, even at 35,000 feet? When embarking on a long-haul flight, comfort should be your top priority. Now you might be wondering, how can I transform my cramped airplane seat into a cozy haven? The answer lies in your carry-on. Let's start with a travel pillow. These compact lifesavers are designed to support your neck during those long hours of sitting. Next, consider packing a lightweight blanket. It's no secret that airplane cabins can get chilly, and having your own blanket ensures you'll stay warm throughout your journey. Don't forget an eye mask and earplugs. The former will shield your eyes from any unwanted light, helping you catch some much-needed shut-eye. The latter will drown out the humming engines and chatty neighbors, allowing you to relax or sleep in peace. These items may seem trivial, but they can make a world of difference in your overall flight experience. Remember, comfort is key to a pleasant journey. Next, let's beat the in-flight boredom. Ever thought of your own mini entertainment center in your backpack? It's not as far-fetched as you might think. Picture this: a gripping novel, an entire season of your favorite show, a handheld gaming console, or your music library, all within arm's reach. Books, whether digital or physical, are a classic travel companion. They're compact, lightweight, and can transport you to another world in an instant. Electronic devices like tablets or laptops offer a multitude of offline options. You can download movies or series ahead of your journey, ensuring you're entertained even when Wi-Fi is a no-go. For those of you who are gaming enthusiasts, portable game consoles can provide hours of entertainment. And let's not forget about music, the universal language that can soothe, energize, or simply help pass the time. With these entertainment options, you'll almost wish the flight was longer. Finally, we can't forget health and hygiene, because nothing ruins a trip faster than feeling unwell or grubby. When we're up in the air for an extended period, our bodies are subjected to a unique set of conditions. The pressurized cabin, the dry air, the close quarters, all of these can take a toll on our health and well-being. Let's start with our skin. The low humidity in aircraft cabins can leave our skin feeling dry and tight. To combat this, pack travel-sized toiletries like a moisturizer, lip balm, and facial wipes. These will help keep your skin hydrated and refreshed throughout the flight. Next, let's talk oral hygiene. The last thing you want is to step off a long flight with a case of dragon breath. A travel toothbrush and toothpaste are must-haves. Some airlines may provide these, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Of course, we can't forget about the germs. Airplanes can be a hotbed of bacteria, so a small bottle of hand sanitizer can be a lifesaver. Moving on to medications, if you need any specific ones, don't forget to pack them in your carry-on. It's also a good idea to bring a few basics like pain relievers and antacids, just in case. Last but not least, hydration is key. The dry cabin air can dehydrate us quickly, so bring your own water bottle and fill it up after passing security. With these health and hygiene essentials, you're all set to arrive fresh and ready to explore. So, let's quickly recap what your long flight survival kit should include. First up, comfort items. These are your neck pillows, eye masks, and travel blankets, your in-flight haven. It's all about making your seat feel a tad more like home. Next, entertainment options. Don't rely solely on the in-flight movies, bring your own fun. Books, games, downloaded movies or shows, whatever floats your boat. Moving on to health and hygiene essentials. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Pack a refillable water bottle, and don't forget your moisturizer to combat that dry cabin air. Snacks are also a must-have, but remember, choose wisely. Opt for healthy options that won't leave you feeling sluggish. And finally, a travel toothbrush and toothpaste, because nothing beats that fresh feeling. Remember, a well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler, so pack these essentials and enjoy your flight.